David and Joe rule the show.
Alright, we're back. What the fuck is that? Alright, this is our first show and it's just a bunch of sketches that we're gonna make up, so...
I've got the giggles.
Yeah, he's always got the giggles because he's gay!
Enjoy it.
Or he'll stab you.
Aye.
That's kind of threatening.
Frisbee. Right, what should I say?
Think and then say it.
The circumference of a triangle is... How much are your ducks?
My ducks? That'll be £6, mate.
Never mind.
But mate, you've left your money.
No, it is of no further use to me. I'm going home now.
That's good.
No, it isn't. I live in a box.
Strange boy. Here, Joe.
What?
Don't you think this is like being in a plane?
No.
Now back to this week's episode of Stool Love.
I've always loved you, Mark. You too, Selena. But no, really.
Ah!
Gosh, I could do with a drink. Oh, gee, thanks, Mr. Hedge.
Glug, 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 glug.
Wow, that was great! Did you do the volley challenge? I know I did. Now my shit is super runny. So get your Volvic today!
I wait for you to say hello.
I'm sorry, mate. Ciao, Paul.
Yes, well, I'm here to sell you tickets to Gran Canaria.
Oh, yeah, that's brilliant.
Okay, I need you to confirm that you are over 21.
I'm 13.
Well, okay, but you have wife, yes?
No, I'm 13, mate.
Yes, but you have wife.
No, I'm 13, like I said.
Yes, but these tickets are for wife and 2 kids and you!
No, they're there. I'm 13.
Well, piss off!
No, you.
Shit, bye.
Alright, see you later. Alright.
Hello, I'm here to sell you.
No!
To be or not to be, that is the question. But if one was not to be, then one would not exist and not be able to ask this question.
Dude, that was so gay.
Sitting on the toilet. Sitting on the toilet. Sitting on the toilet. Gotta flush. Joseph, come up and collect your textbook.
But miss, I have an erection.
No. You're gay.
God, I wish I could kill him. Oh gee, thanks, Mr. Hedge. I hate you. You're gay. David. Oh shit, he's dead. Oh yeah, it's nice watch. How much are your ducks? Come on, feel your part.
Okay.
He's a man, he's alright.
I'm feeling my butt.
No, that's Shit, I think you're gonna die. Me That's such a good look.
Glug, 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 glug. Wait, I'm doing it again. Glug, 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 glug.
Wow, that was.
Glug, 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 glug. Joe.
Alright. Did you. So get your ball. So get your ball.
This is too gay.
Oh! Oh God! I wish I could kill him.
Do it again.
What are you even laughing at? What moves I have?
So she said.
This is like really beautiful.
To be.
Would you get pizza? Pizza 3! Oh! Alright, that's the camera! I'll write that right now on that as the bag. Your dad.
No, the thing. I thought. Joe seems to have fallen on the floor.
So, how are we going to introduce this? All we've got to do then is set up some chairs. Right, we'll think about it. Oh! You bastard. What are you laughing at now? Oh, what is it? Alright, that sounds fine. That's
Cabbage.